Hello everyone! I have a special guest again today. Her name is Annika and she is my goddaughter.
Hello! Thanks, Ninang Sheila, for having me here. I'm excited to learn baked pasta with meatballs. It's my favorite dish that I always order in the restaurant.
Really? What do you like about that dish?
I like the red tomato sauce in pasta, and the meatballs are so delicious.
Okay, let's start making it. And once you have learned to prepare this dish, are you gonna cook it on New Year's Eve?
Yes, but not only New Year's Eve. I'll cook this every week.
Okay, every week. So mommy, be prepared. Okay, Annika, we're going to start with our meatballs. I have ground beef here. Can you get the cake spatula? Okay, I'm gonna put the ground beef into the bowl. Okay. Okay. After onions, chopped garlic,
Okay.
1 egg. Okay. This is ground basil. Wanna smell it? Smells good. You like it? Okay. And this is fresh breadcrumbs, okay? You want to mix everything together? Okay. Good. Okay. Are you okay? It's easy to mix it. It's not heavy?
A little bit.
A little bit, okay. Okay, so when you use breadcrumbs, make sure you use the fresh one, okay? Because there are two different kinds of breadcrumbs, the fresh one and the breadcrumbs that you use for tempura, okay?
Okay.
So you scrape the sides and the bottom as well, so make sure, yeah. I'll show you the proper way how to mix it, okay? It's exercise, right?
Yeah.
There. Okay. It's very heavy, but you said a while ago it's a little bit. I'm kidding. Yeah, this is heavy for your age, but it's okay. It's going to be fun because you're gonna prepare it on New Year's Eve for your family, right?
Yeah.
And you're gonna tell mommy to help you?
Yeah.
All right. Looks good, right? I'm going to season it with salt first. You want to do it? Okay. All over. That's enough. And a little bit of black pepper. Okay. And before I forget, we have to put Parmesan cheese into our meatballs. It's gonna make our meatballs so delicious. Okay, I'm going to mix it, all right? Okay, to get a better mix of flavors, we're going to mix our meatballs using our hands, but since you're a kid, you're going to use gloves, okay?
Okay.
Right. I'm going to help you. Alright, so these gloves are powder-free and it's food safe, right? So, you're going to do it? Okay, so just, press the meatballs so that all the flavors will come together. Like you have to be strong, really, really strong. Yeah. Like you're like,
Like the half?
yeah. Okay. And make sure the bottom as well. Turn it over.
The texture is so weird.
Really? Why do you say that?
Because it's like soft, and then when you go to the inside, here's like little chunk.
Okay. Okay, let me check, Annika. All right, you did a great job. Now it's time to shape our meatballs. And we're going to put it on a baking tray because we're going to bake our meatballs. Okay, so I'm gonna help you shaping our meatballs so that it's faster. Okay?
Okay.
Before we put the meatballs, we're going to put Baguio coconut oil. You tell mommy to buy Baguio coconut oil, okay? When you go to the grocery.
Baguio coconut oil noted.
All right. So I'm just going to spread the oil all over the tray. Okay. Now, let's go.
Is it okay if it's not perfect equally?
Of course. There you go.
Can I make one big ball?
Of course you can. You can make 2 big meatballs if you like, right? You can make like a bigger than that, like this.
What?
Yeah.
Yay! Thanks, it's big enough. So,
This one, right?
yeah, I think
Okay.
I think one big one is okay for
Okay.
me.
Is that for you? Okay.
And one for mommy.
And one for mommy. Okay. How about for daddy?
Daddy's not here.
Okay, daddy's not here.
One more big meatball.
Okay, so we already have 3 big meatballs.
Yay! For you, the other one.
For me, the other one. Okay, that's so sweet of you.
Okay, I think this is good.
Okay. Now we're done. We can remove our gloves.
Oh, thank you. I feel like my hands are really
Want me to
oily.
help you?
Sure.
Right.
My hands are not oily.
Yeah, because of the gloves,
It's
right?
magic.
Yes. So we're going to bake this in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. I already preheated the oven to 220 degrees Celsius, okay?
Okay.
Can you open the door for me? Just be careful, okay?
Sure.
Okay.
It's hot.
Yeah.
Even though I'm not touching it, it's super hot.
Yes. All right.
Smells so good, Ninang Sheila.
I know, it smells really good, right?
Yes.
So we're just going to set it aside. We're gonna cool it down, and I'm gonna boil some water for our pasta, and we're gonna cook it till al dente.
What's al dente?
Al dente is when you bite the pasta, it's neither soft nor hard, but slightly chewy. Okay?
Okay.
So I'm going to turn on the heat to medium. We're gonna boil our water. Okay, Anika, once the water is starting to boil, we're going to add Baguio coconut oil. You know why we need to add oil into the water?
Why?
So that the pasta won't stick to each other. Just a little bit of oil and some salt, just a little bit. And now we're going to put our pasta. To be careful. Okay, and then I'm just going to mix it for a few seconds. And then let it cook. Okay, let's check our pasta. I'm gonna try it first, okay?
Okay.
It's al dente. You wanna try it? So that you know what al dente is? You have to blow it first. Okay.
Good.
Now I'm going to turn off the heat. And I'm going to drain our pasta. Alright? Anika, I have drained the pasta already. Now it's time to cook our pasta sauce. I'm going to turn on the heat to medium. We're going to add Baguio coconut oil. You know, Anika, this oil is very healthy because it's made from 100% pure coconut oil.
Baguio coconut oil noted.
Okay. Okay, our oil is ready. I'm going to add garlic. And then, how about onions? Can you put the onions?
I'm scared of it. Like,
Don't be scared. Okay, just hold on to it. There's more. All right. And then you just saute it for about a minute until it's fragrant and translucent, okay? And don't burn the garlic and onions, all right?
okay.
Because it's gonna have bitter taste. Now we're going to add the tomato sauce.
looks good.
Yes. Do you want your pasta sauce sweet or sour, like Italian style?
I don't know. It's up with you.
It's up to me, okay? So you just stir it, and then I'm gonna add crushed tomatoes. You like red sauce for your pasta?
Yes.
Okay.
It's better red sauce with these.
Yes, and then we're gonna add meatballs.
Yeah,
And then we're gonna put lots of cheese.
Yay.
Okay. So, just gonna add the ground basil again. Remember? Smells so good. Smell it again. Smells so good, right?
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna add a pinch. Then we're gonna add Parmesan cheese. You wanna add it?
Yeah. Like all of it?
Yes, all of it. And then we're just going to simmer it for about 10 minutes. And we're going to lower the heat. Alright?
Okay.
Okay, now we're going to season it with salt just a little bit because we already add Parmesan cheese and a bit of pepper. You want to do it? Great job.
Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine. All right. And then I'm just going to mix it again and let it simmer for another 2 minutes.
I'm excited to eat it.
I'm excited too. I'm very hungry now. Okay. Okay, Annika, it's time to assemble our baked pasta with meatballs. We have our cooked pasta, our tomato sauce, and our meatballs, and mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese. Okay? So we're gonna put our pasta into the baking pan.
Excited.
I know, I'm excited too. We're gonna pour the tomato sauce all over the pasta.
Yummy.
It is yummy.
I'm excited to pour. I'm excited to put
Put the meatballs, yeah.
Yes.
So we're going to mix it first until the pasta is well coated in the sauce.
Yummy.
Okay. Now we're going to arrange our meatballs. We're going to start with the small ones first, okay? So, your spoon. Okay, get your spoon. There you go. Just get it. Then we can put the big ones in the middle, right? So you just insert the meatballs. Okay?
Oh, I think this is like good. Yummy.
It's yummy, right?
Yeah, it already looks yummy.
It looks yummy already.
But it is hard pushing them inside.
Yeah?
Yeah.
More meatballs, more fun, right? It's going to be really, really yummy. Okay. You think Daddy will love this?
Yes.
Okay.
Can I eat one?
Of course you can. Have a bite.
It's good. It's yummy.
It's yummy. Are you sure? Okay. Because you made it, right? That's why it's yummy. Okay. I have 2 more. And then we're going to put the 3 big meatballs in the middle. Okay?
I can taste the pepper.
You can taste the pepper. Was it spicy?
Not that much. It's like good pepper.
Oh, it's good pepper. Okay. Okay, the most fun part. You love cheese, right? So we're going to grate the cheese all over the pasta and the meatballs. We're going to start with mozzarella. You want to do it? Okay.
I'm gonna lick the spoon.
Okay.
Yummy.
Yummy. Okay, put a spoon there. Here. So you do it very carefully, okay? You can be a good assistant in the kitchen, you know? You're so good.
Well, you're the chef.
I know, but you can be my assistant chef. You want that?
Sure.
Okay.
Like all of the cheese?
Yes.
Wow, that's a lot of cheese.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a workout. I think it's enough.
Okay. Enough mozzarella. You can put the rest of the mozzarella. And now the cheddar cheese.
What there's there?
Yes. This is cheddar cheese. Right?
Ready? Looks yummy. But I think I should go like this.
No, you go like up, down, up, down, up, down. But you do it slowly, okay?
Can I take a bite of the cheese?
Of course you can. Do you like cheese?
Yes.
I think we have enough cheese for the pasta and you can, eat it.
Yummy.
You like it? Okay. So we're going to bake this in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. I already preheated the oven a while ago to 220 degrees Celsius. Okay?
Yay, it's ready. I'm excited to taste it.
I'm excited to taste it too, but we have to cool it down first, okay?
Okay.
Now, Anika, it's time to taste it. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay.
So delicious.
Yes. You want cheese? I'm gonna
Sure.
cut some cheese, okay? Okay. How is it?
The cheese, the pasta, and the meatballs are all delicious.
I'm glad you like it. Now let's greet everyone a
Happy New Year!